ISTE2G deals with technology tools, and so I decided to use EduCreations, which allows me to draw on the slide. I'm able to talk while I present as well. And so with genetic engineering, I showed them how food is genetically modified, how they started off when they're using bacteria, and how they extract DNA, how they clone the gene, transformation to create a new plant. Genetic engineering has been around for years. A lot of people have not known that, but it started in the 70s. But it's just really a good tool to show students how they can use these digital tools to be more engaging when they're presenting information, when they're doing group work. And also, I had them to design their own genetically modified food using an educational tool in the place of formative assessment, which would normally be a test with multiple choice, short answer. And so they did a lot better because they were able to be their own boss. They were in charge of their own grade. So they took it more seriously. There was a decrease in cheating, which is so prevalent because now everybody wants access to Google, look up the answers. Nobody wants to apply the information. But with technology tools, they actually have to apply the information. They have to research on how to use it. There are no shortcuts. You have to read the information, study the information so that you can become familiar with how to present the information to others.